Thank you. Okay. Oh well, we only have 12 minutes of this. Okay, we gotta make it quick. Okay. So, today we're gonna be making slime. I don't personally know how to make slime, but my sister does. She's an expert at it, so she's gonna go ahead and make the slime. And yeah, so I guess we can go ahead and get started. So, tell me.
Is it open already?
Yeah, it's already open. She's gonna go ahead and pour some glue, school glue.
This is hard.
That one's hard?
Yeah.
I guess we could just open it. There you go. So how much do you usually use? Just like whatever you fill?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour some glue for myself as well. I'm gonna try to copy what she does. Okay, and then what's next?
Just stir the glue, but use the backside because then.
Okay, you have to stir the glue.
When it gets.
And why do you have to stir the glue?
So that I can get bubbly.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Okay.
And then you get contact solution. Oh, no, I think you can do the color first.
You can do the colors first?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can take some food dye for the color. I'm going to choose green. And what color you're choosing?
Red.
Just choosing red. Okay.
I just used 3.
3 drops? Okay. Do the same.
And just mix it.
And just mix it. Wow, that's really green. Does it get lighter or no?
I'm pretty sure it'll get lighter. If you use the shaving foam,
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And what I did not know is you can use shaving cream for it.
Just
And
use contact solution.
Yeah, and you pretty much
Then
don't
you
have. Yeah, you can use that one. And you pretty much also don't have to use baking soda. You can pretty much just use glue, any school glue, and contact solution. And you put as much as you want until it gets like slime consistency. I'm gonna keep stirring. Oh, this takes a lot of stirring.
Yes. I'm going to start adding the shaving cream. How do you do this?
Pop the lid off.
Oh.
And then
She's gonna add shaving cream in hers because I guess it gives it more of like a foamy consistency. And you know, I'm
Yeah, this
actually
shaving
not
cream is
gonna
actually
do it with
working.
it. Huh?
It's actually working. It's putting it together.
Oh, it
Amanda.
puts it together?
you have to add a little bit more.
Of what?
Yeah, it's actually
That.
working.
Of this?
Yeah.
Okay. And my brother's in the background too. He also makes slime.
Yeah, you're getting it because it's like gathering.
I guess the
I think
shaving cream makes it stick together quicker.
White glue won't even take that long.
But it seems like mine's taking a little bit longer to make. So while she's doing her slime, I'm gonna go ahead and have read on why slime becomes slime, which I find it very fascinating. I didn't know this. So yeah. So it says at a molecular level, when you make slime, the glue's protein molecules cross-link with the borate ions, which this has those ions, electrically charged molecules in the activator, forming a new substance we all call slime. In a chemical reaction, the substance cannot be separated again once they are mixed. Once slime ingredients are combined, you won't be able to separate it back into glue and activator again. And then slime is also a polymer. So yeah. Which also, I believe, baking soda also
Keep on going
has
like this. Keep on stretching.
the borate
It's
ions.
an activator on my engine. Activate? Let's go a little bit.
Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I think that's gonna take a long time to do.
I feel like the
So
rest is
any
gonna be
tip
like,
always use shaving cream to
start
make the process a little bit
grab
faster.
it and start kneading it.
I mean, you have to use your hands after?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'll tell you
Oh,
too.
it's not a dark color anymore.
When it turns like a really
Wow.
like good green
Mm-hmm.
and it's kind of white, just start doing it with your hands. Like her, start doing it with your hand. So you don't have to stir it that much. It's much faster if you do it with your hands.
Oh, so now I have to use my hands?
Yeah. Just get that big chunk off.
What time? Can you see the time? Can you see the time? What time is it under? Giselle. Like, you see how it's next to the time? I can't tell what that says.
7?
Okay, that's 7 minutes. Okay. Got a couple more minutes.
And I put more activator in my hand.
Wow.
Really? Is
I didn't
yours
realize
not
how messy
messy?
this is. Okay.
I need some of yours.
Yes.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Oh, this does tire my hand though.
Oh, okay. And I guess you're not also supposed to use too much contact solution because it'll get hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll get too rough. So make sure you don't put too much of that.
Or don't let it out or it'll
Yeah.
get dry. Yours isn't really like coming out good. Is yours a lot more sticky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a little bit more.
Add some of this. Go. Come on.
See?
Wow, it's very sticky now.
You didn't tell me.
Yeah.
What do I have to add more of?
Nothing. Just keep on.
Nothing? You have to keep kneading it?
Yeah. Keep on going like this. Just grab it, make it into a ball, and just go like this.
It's pretty much the slime.
How come yours are much chewier, like gum?
Whose?
Hers. And then yours is like, do you know those green bubblegum things?
Oh, that's pretty much slime right there. Yeah. It's pretty simple. Anyone can do it. Just basically, it's just school glue and contact lens solution, and then any color of your choice. You can also make clear slime as well. So yeah, pretty much it. This is slime. Oh, it's like still sticky. That's okay. You can go ahead and end it now.
Oh, end it.
Press
press
the
the-
button right there, the button.
The white one.
This one?